So this video is going to be based on this chem worksheet of more practice with Stoich on questions 1 and 5. So starting with 1, that's going to be on doing stoichiometry, starting with the unit of gram. Starting with the unit of the mole and wanting to convert that to gram. So we're going to do something similar to this. We're going to have copper 2 chloride mixed with aluminum to form copper and aluminum chloride. So the thing is, we have we're going to start out with the unit of the mole. So we're going to have copper 2 chloride as our limiting reagent, and our excess reagent will be aluminum. So we have 0.0037 moles of copper 2 chloride. We want to convert that to the gram first because our scale only measures mass, not molarity. So we're going to convert that 0.0037 moles of copper 2 chloride times its atomic mass will give you 0.50 grams of copper 2 chloride. Watch for significant figures. You have two significant figures here. You end up with two significant figures. So next part is going to be our stoichiometry. So we have this limiting reagent, molarity, and then next we're going to do our mole to mole ratio. So using your balanced chemical equation, you're going to look at the different coefficients and use those as your moles. So you have 2 moles of aluminum, as shown in your BCE, and 3 moles of copper chloride over here. Next, so now you have your mole to mole ratio. If you were to just convert that from there, you would just end up with moles, but we don't want moles, we want grams. So we have to convert that amount of aluminum into the gram. We're going to have 26.98, that's aluminum's atomic mass. Convert that, you're going to end up with 0.067 grams of aluminum. So let's try this one out. So here I have my scale. Let me just zero this out. Hold on, okay. Add my paper. Zero out. Then now we're going to add in our copper 2 chloride. And we want to add in, and we are wanting to add in 0.50 grams of it. Okay. So here we have 0.50 grams of copper chloride. We're going to add that to this test tube. It's in the test tube. now we want to, so we found out that we need 0.67 grams of aluminum. So our scale here only counts 2 decimal places. Here we have 3 decimal places, so we're going to have to round that up to 0.07 grams of aluminum. So now we are going to, here we have our aluminum. So let's see, that's 0.98, let's get a small piece. 0.3, 0.07. Now we're going to add that over here. Okay. Hold on 1 second. So here we have some water. We need some activation energy for this reaction. So I'm just going to take a few drops of water and drop that into our mixture of copper dichloride and aluminum. Now it is starting to react. Steam is forming because the reaction is evaporating all the water. And you can see the copper left. And you cannot see the aluminum chloride. Okay, that was number 1.